hard as like that? I want to shave. The folks in the troop must have just bought a much beer than I. But we did very well, you know. We went and did amazing. We got the leaders. Some of them got back dead, others are still alive. But they'll all be dead soon.
How many did you take?
14. We had to go in pretty deep to find them all. But they'll soon pay for it. Not a single one will escape. Not a single one. People must have gotten a scare of what happened the other day, right?
Yes.
Good show, wasn't it?
Very good.
You know, I'd love to catch a nap. There's a lot to be done this evening.
A fire department?
Something of the sort. But slowly.
All of them?
No, just a few. For now. Come at 6 o'clock this evening to school.
Will it be like the last time?
It may be even better.
What do you plan to do?
I'm not sure yet. But we'll have a good time.
Are you going to punish all of them?
Yes, all of them.
Thanks.
You know, they told me you'd kill me. I came to say that's true. But you didn't. I won't make that mistake.